Alright, Lexi girl. It's nighttime, and like I said, I'm not filming with a flashlight on. These frogs are crazy. Of course, that tree branch is still there. Is that light gonna come on or what? I still wanna know what kind of bird that's making a squeak sound. So that bird was on the Darkridge Penitentiary that flew up here. I need to find out what kind of bird it is. Because this is not the first time I've seen the bird. That bird's been around. It had been around since barred owls had vanished, and now it's getting legs back. These frogs been making these sounds like forever. Huh. Really weird. You find anything, Lexi girl? You ready to head in? What? I ain't giving up looking for that bird. Wherever it is, it has to be somewhere.